Don't worry, get him on
Two
nerves.
super fire dog.
Okay, shut the fuck up, man.
First, hold on, I just checked with the wrong part.
How many fire dogs? Two, right?
Look who you're gonna use.
Some in Thunder.
Are you gonna go back to the lake room?
Oh, puta.
We're not trying to kind of save him though.
That's what's
Oh.
It looks like she just
I
did a
wanna
big
try
swipe
like
from
I've never
top
played
and then
before.
see where it ended.
What that?
Unfortunately, it ended with this card.
Chris, we go TT deck.
Why? No, you can't use my deck. Nobody uses my Tickle Titties. Nobody uses my Tickle Bitties.
Your ginger.
OTT. OTTs. Big old Tickle Bitties.
No, full
You
sheet.
didn't get it. You didn't get it.
You on the game?
No, yeah.
Go play with the 3 balls.
Volker, touch, do some gay
Why?
shit.
What do they do anyways?
They're marbles.
Sounds like see.
No tiene canicas.
Oh, they were like special properties.
Not for they have like
I'm
if
gonna
you
go
look at the rules like on
Go
the inside, look at
Utopia.
That's creepy. This thing has balls.
How many warriors do you run in the deck? One?
it. He wants that necklace.
And he runs 2, and he doesn't want the other one.
That?
Are you going to use
Necklace.
What?
I'll probably do.
I'm
I'm trying to steal from him.
What is it, like an amethyst stone? Or like an amethyst?
Tag was 16.
There was a
I'm
whole
taking
episode on that shit. I don't know.
Alright, sure. Set one card.
I don't know. I
I
don't
know,
know
it's
that a big
based on-
titty bitch gave it to him.
No.
Yeah.
That's almost like
I'm on normal.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Summon.
It's supposed to
Probably
contain the
Dynamo.
cells of the first soul card.
Too good.
Necklace. Powers. Properties.
I have to use a fucking
What does
Thunder
it do?
King. I'm out of shit.
This is.
You use any light or what?
When
Any light.
Alex,
Naruto's
go to your trailer right now.
super going Fortails, it kind of
Takes 25.
I'll be back.
That used to have.
Now
Come on the trailer.
He doesn't
Yeah,
have
He's gonna fucking run my ass
Go to
over
the
right now.
trailer.
I'm gonna get all the set fives now?
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
say, you're my bitch, nigga. Watch you do that shit. What you gonna do?
get box 5.
Okay. Shark.
Activate.
Damn it,
5.
there's a grape soda down here.
Shark. Rabbit. Lie to me.
Alright, let's go.
You
No,
Normal summon. Special summon.
you run what you got.
were what you got, nigga?
This is what I got right now. See that pill?
What is
The
that?
cops
The
here?
cops or
Boxers.
the fucking panadero and shit?
Probably the panadero.
Overlay.
A, you haven't paid your bill, your tab.
Alex, we know you're in there.
I gave you
You
the
know
good
that
bread.
right there?
No, that
I gave
bad.
you the good bread.
Attack for 14.
Yeah.
Attack for.
I'll take it all.
Not that fun
That's game
people.
Fuck, man. I drew the dark hole.